All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching out, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Hey, hey. All right, my brother, my sister, this one is so strong. LOBATAN. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti fi ẹ̀kẹ́ èébú mú gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn balẹ̀ o látàrí ọ̀kadà oníná tí ó fi lọ́lẹ̀. Hey, my brother, my sister, a lot of people be like, what exactly is this man talking about? Okay, well, onto this one, the Yoruba people on their own part. In fact, the majority of this set of people have dragged the governor of Ogun State onto the fact that he provided an electric power bike to the people in Ogun State, and he's about to launch that anyway. As you can see on your screen, he's text running the bike, and a lot of people have made it clear that onto the hardship in the country, just to reduce the hardship over the removal of fuel subsidy that has caused a lot of people a lot of stress in the aspect of increment in fuel price and the rest of it. Well, onto this one, the governor on his own part, the governor of Ogun State, Governor Dapo Abiodun, had just made it clear to test ride this Okada, and I think it's not going well with a lot of people, and the majority of people have made it clear. They have pronounced that, Oga, which one is this one that you are introducing in a country that there is no electricity? We don't understand though. Kò yé wa rárá o. Ìlú tó yẹ pé kò sí ná, ẹ wá lọ ń gbé ọ̀kadà tó máa lo ná wá. Báwo la fẹ́ máa charge rẹ̀? Ọ̀kadà tó ń lo battery. Well, my brother, my sister, this is so strong. Well, with the full gist coming on from here, Governor Dapo Abiodun test drive electric motorbikes that will be gifted to transporters in Ogun State. Well, to some extent, some set of people be like, ó dẹ̀ try now, ó gbìyànjú. Kí dẹ̀ ni àwọn èèyàn wá tó wá ń complain fún báyìí? Well, my brother, my sister, majority of people have foresight onto this matter. So, meaning you people are not even thinking of any way of bringing this fuel down. Does that mean the fuel price will remain at the level to which it is? Okay, let's watch and see. People are just expressing shock and fear onto this one. Well, with the footage coming from this page says, well, Governor Dapo Abiodun test ride all electric motorbikes that will be gifted to transporters in Ogun State. Did you say gifted? Is it going to be a dash? Okay, we are still trying to know. Okay, so is it not going to be a dash? On the comment section, let us know. Well, with the news reaching us anyway. Well, onto this one, it had been made clear that the governor of Ogun State, Governor Dapo Abiodun, test drives all electric motorbikes that will be gifted to transporters in Ogun State. Says the all electric motorbikes will ease the financial pressure orchestrated by the increase in fuel price. Okay, well, and meanwhile, transporters in Ogun State are set to receive free all electric motorbikes from the state government to help ease the financial pressure orchestrated by the increase in fuel price. This was made by the Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun, who test ride one of the motorbikes that his administration will soon distribute to deserving transporters and the members of the society. Deserving. Okay, that means there's some set of people that will definitely might deserve it. Okay, well, while sharing pictures taken during the test drive during his visit to the Republic of Benin, Abiodun wrote, and I quote, "In our efforts to caution the effect of fuel subsidy removal, which has led to the rising cost of transportation in the entire nation, we made a promise to provide electric powered motorbikes for those who relied solely on these means of transport. Okay, while at the Republic of Benin yesterday, we had a test drive of some of the motorbikes that our administration will soon distribute to deserving transporters and the members of our society as a way of easing the financial pressure orchestrated by the increase in fuel price. Well, recall that the Ogun State government last week began the conversion of diesel-powered state mass transit vehicles to run on compressed natural gas (CNG) to help reduce the cost of transportation following the hike in pump price of petrol. Well, we have commenced the conversion of state mass transit buses, including staff buses and public transport buses currently in circulation, to CNG to reduce the cost of transportation by charging rates that are commensurate with what obtained before subsidy removal, said Prince Dakpo Abiodun. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is reaching us right now onto this one. And meanwhile, majority of people have actually reacted in different forms that, Oga, I beg you, this is not what we want right now. Well, I think so to an extent, a lot of people will still rush this. Well, if it's going to be a gift, to me, I think it's advisable make una collect at all na be winch market. But one thing I understand is that if you are very reasonable and you understand what is going on, you will know that these people they are trying to let us understand that as far as this fuel subsidy is going on, they don't even know when the whole thing will come down. Hey, hardship, Baba God, now your hand with them. Well, right now, a lot of people, in fact, I'm going to take some comments onto this one that a lot of people have actually replied. They are commented on this one. Well, very soon, all the country that has oil will be useless. Okay, that has been said by Agbomudia Anthony. Well, my governor is barbing air to ease the pressure orchestrated by the high cost of fuel. Well, somebody is of the opinion that, wait, thought Nigeria has banned Okada. Okay, that's another one. Well, somebody's like, even graduates to drive Okada in Nigeria is one the palliative to caution hardship. Sorry, Nigerians. Okay, I think that person is trying to pass a message there that so you are trying to say to encourage graduates to keep riding Okada. Well, that's another one of. Well, at this age, how could a right-thinking governor be thinking of motorcycle as a palliative for petroleum subsidy? Oh, well, I don't know. Yes, so and he continues by saying that this governor is a backward thinker. How did Ogun come about this kind of man after a long sojourn in the journey of democracy? Oh, okay, well, that had been said by an anonymous person. The name is not written anyway. Well, where is the light to recharge the motorbike? Okay, this one is coming from Olabode Olawale. Well, Holy Ghost. This one is saying deserving transporter, not majority of them, Abi. But you said before that you will take away Alu, the motorbike in Ogun State, and then replace it with electronic motorbike. Why changing the topic? Okay, that's another one. I said it that, hey, they said deserving. That means all those deserving now, definitely they must have dropped some things. No, nothing goes for nothing. Baba God, now your hand with them. That is why the wise people are like, there's nothing like a Yoruba nation, Jare. They will keep telling us one Nigeria, that love they. At the end of it all, I want no lot to share. Well, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one that is reaching us. So will there be constant power supply to charge it? Okay, that's another one. Well, at least fuel will be useless very soon, and then I am sure of you. I'm not sure of that. Okay, I think this person just made a great sense that with time it will now make fuel to be cheap. My brother, my sister, fuel cheap. How? I don't understand though, because hey, how many people use motorbike? Then how many people are they going to give this Okada? Then tell me, is it only Okada that uses fuel? What about generator? Oh my god, they should give us electricity. Oh, my brother, my sister, a lot of people have actually reacted in different forms onto this one. This is to tell you that hey, majority of people are thinking fast that hey, are you sure these people don't want us to keep suffering? They want us to keep suffering forever. Hey, Baba God, now your hand with them. Okay, this one is coming from Uzodema. It says, well, why bags for mass transit when we should be moving away from them? Okay, that's serious. So that's another one. This is not even the time for us to be using Okada. They should have no thought of something else, because Okada has caused a lot of trouble in this country. Now they are saying encouraging insecurity and accidents. Oh my god, no be smart thing. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things though are actually being said onto this one. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say onto this? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.